Hello everyone, this is Harsha. Welcome to my channel Crypto English. So hi guys, in today's video we're going to talk about another huge airdrop opportunity. So that is going to be Aztec blockchain. So we'll talk about this particular platform, how you can interact with this and how you can increase your airdrop chances in future. And I'll also explain why I'm predicting the airdrop for this particular product is high. So everything will be covered in this video. Watch this video till end. Before starting the video, if you are here for the first time, subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, click the like button. If you have any doubts or clarification, leave them in the comment section below. And this video like that is 200 likes, so definitely click the like button right away. So let's begin the video guys. So first thing, what is Aztec? So Aztec is another layer 2 solution built on Ethereum and it is encrypted. So which means they are majorly focused on privacy and they are using zero knowledge snarks, ZK snark technology, so that your transactions will be maintained privately. And now they are also providing some SDKs, so other dApps like Aave, Lido Finance and multiple other dApps which can build on this particular privacy blockchain, and users can interact with DeFi applications, that too with privately. And now why I am predicting there will be airdrop and it is going to be huge, because recently on 15 December they have announced a 100 million funding round closure of Series B funding, which is led by A16Z. And this VC A16Z, wherever it has invested in any DeFi applications, they launched their token only in the form of airdrop. So this shows that this particular platform also could do a airdrop, and that value of the airdrop will be really huge because they have raised $100 million. So this token is going to be listed on every single exchange including Binance on the listing day. So now that is a background. So but what problem is this Aztec solving? Because they are doing a privacy on Ethereum chain, which means if I tell you, if we compare it with other L2 solutions like Optimism or Arbitrum, for example, if you are depositing funds from Ethereum to Arbitrum, the funds will be deposited to Arbitrum, and if whatever transactions you are doing on Arbitrum, that can be easily tracked to this blockchain scanners or through DeFi applications like DBank and other stuff. But now what Aztec does is, once you deposit funds into Aztec chain, and there will not be any track of transactions what you're doing inside the chain. So for example, if you see this, this is my wallet history. If you see this, here you can clearly see that I have received some funds from Binance to this particular platform around 1 Ethereum. But after that, if you see, I have done a transaction of 1 Ethereum to Aztec contract. So after the depositing into Aztec contract, I have done multiple other transactions. I've interacted with some DeFi applications. I deposited some funds in DeFi apps, but those details will not be available on my blockchain. So all those transactions will be done within the Aztec network, that too with a zero knowledge snarks. So that is what this particular layer 2 solution is different from other L2 solutions like Optimism and Arbitrum, etc. So now that is a background. So now let's start how you can interact with this chain. So right now there is only one dApp available on the chain, which is zk.money, and you can use this dApp and you can start doing transactions. So I would recommend to do the transactions on this so that you will be able to get eligibility in future airdrop. So now the total activity will cost you around $3 to $4 worth of gas fees, but if you keep some good capital, it will be good. That project will not remove you from the airdrop hunter filter flags. So now let's begin the demo. So first thing, you need to have MetaMask and it should have some Ethereum in it. I would recommend to at least go with $200 to $300 worth of Ethereum. And now just go to zk.money, click on Shield now and click on Retrieve Aztec address. Then click on Connect Wallet, connect your MetaMask, and then click on Sign. And once you click on Sign, you will get a MetaMask pop-up, sign in the transaction. And after that, you have to sign the transaction again, click on Sign and complete the transaction again. Now you got this Retrieve spending keys. So just click on that, and once you click on that, again you have to sign a transaction. So once you sign that, you will get a copy to clipboard option. Just click that and copy this text into your notepad and save it somewhere safely. And now then click on next step, and here you can enter a name. This is your wallet name. Anyone can send you funds to this ID directly on Aztec chain. And now there are speed. So this is another advantage of using Aztec. So Aztec, what it does is directly all your transactions will be stored on Ethereum chain, but what they do is with a 100x lower cost. So how do they achieve that? So they do transactions in batches. Every 2 hours they'll do a batch transactions. For example, if you are doing a transaction, you will wait for 2 hours, and whoever is doing the transactions in the 2 hours, the gas fees will be splitted between them. So that is a default speed 2 hours. It will cost me around $1.3, but I was doing on a peak hours. If you're doing in a normal early hours, it will be around $0.6 or $0.5 per transaction. Now if I go for the fast speed, which will be $22, I don't recommend that because we are doing this for airdrop opportunity. So just select the default speed of 2 hours. You can wait after 2 hours, you can complete the transaction. So now I'm going to deposit around 1 Ethereum. So just enter the amount. You can deposit as per your requirement and then just click on submit. Then it will create the proofs. After some time, you will get a pop-up, approve the transaction. It will also include the small amount of gas fees, which is around $1, and then just click on sign. Once you do that, here you need not pay anything. Just click on confirm, and once you confirm that, it will take 2 hours time. So in case if you are on the same page without closing the page for 2 hours, there is no issue. You can continue to the next step. It will directly land you on the dashboard. But in case if you close the window, or maybe you are coming after next day, you will be able to come to this page and again do the same steps again, like following the instruction, save the key, and then you will be able to see this. You have 1.009 Ethereum in the contract pending, so you can use this funds for the deposit. So just enter the name details again and select the speed. Now the speed of 2 hours cost is only $0.6. That is very good amount. So now select that and then enter 1 Ethereum. So if you are entering this gas fees amount also here, that might have some issue. So I tried that first. Just click on register. Then after approving, I got some random error. So that's why I cancelled it. Just enter the whole amount only, don't include the gas amount. So I have entered 1 and then just click on register. Then I'll get a pop-up for the sign in. So it'll show me some confirmation. Then I can click on confirm. Now once after the sign in transaction is completed, this funds will be deposited and my dashboard will be open. So now I can see my zk.money dashboard is open with 1 Ethereum deposited in it, and I can see my transactions on the right side profile. You can click that is my alias name, so you can send money to your friends or receive money using this ID. So now there are two activities you can complete on this particular platform. First is you can send money. So for example, you can you have this option here, send. So this is zk EVM. So I can click on send. There are two options. If you are selecting L2, which means you are sending money within layer 2, that is Aztec network itself. So here you can give my email, my wallet, or anyone's wallet details, and once you are sending funds, it will be sent to them on the same blockchain without any track. In case if you want to withdraw those funds to your Ethereum wallet, then you can select withdraw to layer 1, enter your MetaMask wallet address here, and then you can withdraw the funds. So for this withdrawal, it will hardly cost you around less than $1. So that is a good deal. So you can complete the entire transaction activity within $3. So that is the first activity. Second activity is you can deposit some funds into DeFi applications integrated with zk.money. So I'll show how to do that. You have the shield money option, which will have DAI also once you deposit Ethereum. So I can close this. Now I can go to this earn option on the top. So right now there are trade option is not ready. So we'll go to the earn option. There are multiple dApps integrated. So we'll go with the Aave. So just click on earn Aave and we can deposit Ethereum here for 2.35 APY. So now I'm depositing only 0.5 Ethereum right now. So I want to do multiple transactions. So maybe after a week I'll deposit 0.1, after a 1 week 0.1. So you have to keep doing transactions, so the project will not treat you as a airdrop hunter. So once you enter that, you just scroll down a bit. Here you can see there are three options. You have the batch transaction, which is of 2 hours. It will cost you only $0.6, which is a good deal. If you go for instant one, it will cost you $20. I would not recommend that, but go for 2 hours batch. It will cost you $0.6. Then just click on next, and once you select that, it will ask you to switch to the network. So right now I was on a different chain, so I'll just switch the chain, click on confirm transaction, and once that is done, I need to connect the wallet again. So then I need to do a sign in transaction. Once that is done, it will be completed. Transaction is completed and balance amount will be available in my chain. I can go to wallet and I can see the breakdown. My funds has gone to earn page and remaining balance is available. So now that's all what you have to do. So I would recommend you to regularly do some transaction, like you can send funds to your friends using their IDs, or you can directly use the earn option and deposit regularly. Maybe once in a week you can deposit, next week you can withdraw, after that you can deposit. You keep doing transaction. I would recommend to do at least 2 transactions in a month, or at least 4 transactions in a month, so you'll not be treated as a airdrop hunter. So that's all guys, that's all you have to do. So once you do couple of transactions in that, in case if in future Aztec announce any token and a airdrop, you must be eligible for that. That could be the reason. So keep trying that, maybe this particular product may do a good airdrop. So now that's all guys, that's all about today's video. If you like this video, click the like button. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to the channel. If you have any doubts or clarification, leave them in the comment section below. So that's all guys, thanks for watching. Jai Hind.